I just want to talk about this phone a little bit. This is the newest version of the Sciphone i68 Plus. We'll just go ahead and turn it on here. Alright, you've got your slide to unlock feature, like similar to the iPhone. I just want to go over a few of the basics of the phone so you kind of know what it can do, what it can and can't do. First of all, what's new on this version is it's got 3 pages of menus that you can scroll through. And it's probably hard to see the icons. Let's see. But you've got on your main page text, call history, alarm clock, your camera, calculator, tools, settings, documents, your photo album, your internet, Java, which is where you'll install your any apps that you download from the internet, and your games. New voicemail. If you go here to your photo album, I can show you how you view the pictures on here. You can scroll across using your finger instead of having to go through each picture individually. It's got the turnover feature, which goes in all 4 directions, so you can turn it over any way you want and it'll auto rotate. Scroll over here and we'll go to our music player. Wrong one. Now this has a feature where you can either select to change to the next song, or you can just give it a little flick. Which is handy sometimes. I'll show you where I like to access the internet. If you go into your Java programs, I've installed Opera Mini browser, which is a lot better than the browser that this phone comes with. I've got it set to go to Google. It should pop up here in just a second. If you can see, there's your Google homepage. It's a Google Mobile. That's what this uses. You can also go to your standard internet browser, which is here on this icon service. You just go here. It's already got a few already bookmarked. We can go MySpace. MySpace is already bookmarked in there. And there's your MySpace logon. The phone works with T-Mobile or AT&T. I've got it on T-Mobile right now. I just put in the settings for whatever carrier you're using. It only takes a minute. And then you're ready to get on the internet. Let's see, it's also got a radio here. You go to FM radio. Just plug in the headphone. You can search through radio stations. I'm not getting anything clear right now. But that's the main features of the phone. Your dialers, just like that. You've got, if you can see at the bottom, you've got a SIM 1 and a SIM 2, because you can put 2 SIM cards in this and use 2 different phone numbers if you want. You can use T-Mobile or an AT&T, or 2 T-Mobiles or 2 AT&Ts, and that'll be active all the time. And if you choose to put that setting in there, you can have them ring, at the same time, or you can just turn one SIM on and leave one off. Either way. You've got Bluetooth settings here. This does work with Bluetooth. It's got a melody composer up top. It's got a video recorder and an audio recorder. You've got your chat. Another thing I wanted to show you was you can do all your instant messaging on here. I've got Nimbuzz installed, which you can search for that online and check that out. But basically, Nimbuzz, you can do MySpace instant messaging, Yahoo, MSN, Google Talk, Skype, pretty much any type of messaging you want to do. You just set up your account here through Nimbuzz and then put all your accounts together for whatever messenger programs you use. It should load here in just a second. There it is. Once you start up Nimbuzz, you'll create your account just the first time, and then after that you'll be ready to use whatever messengers that you choose to use. And there's your login screen. And those are pretty much all the basics on the phone. Pretty much everything else you can figure out yourself. It's fairly easy to use once you get used to the touch screen. If you've never used a touch screen before, at least. We've got the slide to turn off.